Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the question, does garlic need crop rotation? Crop rotation helps prevent soil depletion and disease buildup in the soil. By rotating garlic with different plants, you can break the pest and disease cycles. It also helps improve soil structure and fertility over time. Garlic is a heavy feeder, meaning it depletes the soil of nutrients quickly. Rotating crops can help replenish these nutrients and maintain soil health. Some plants, like legumes, can fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting garlic growth. Avoid planting garlic in the same spot year after year to prevent disease buildup. Rotating crops can also help manage weed populations and reduce pest pressure. Ensure you choose companion plants that benefit garlic and don't compete for resources. Consider planting cover crops during fallow periods to protect and nourish the soil. Implement a 3 to 4 year crop rotation plan to maximize garlic yield and quality. Rotate garlic with nitrogen-fixing crops like peas or beans to enrich the soil naturally. Alternatively, plant shallow-rooted crops after garlic to prevent soil compaction. Avoid planting members of the allium family in the same spot as garlic. Intercropping garlic with other vegetables can help maximize space and increase biodiversity. Rotate crops according to their nutrient needs to maintain soil balance. Avoid planting garlic in areas where other allium crops have recently grown. Crop rotation can also help break the cycle of pests that target garlic specifically. Try to include plants with different root structures in your rotation plan. Consider the growth habits and nutrient needs of each crop when planning rotations. Rotate garlic with deep-rooted crops to help break up compacted soil layers. Mixing and flowering plants can attract beneficial insects to your garlic crop. Ensure you give each crop adequate space and avoid overcrowding to prevent competition.